BNSF Railway certainly runs autoracks in Colorado. Here you can see the snoot nose moving a Canadian Pacific autorack into position. We captured this action on our previous visit here. BNSF's Big Lift Facility is located in Littleton, just south of Denver, for the delivery of new vehicles. After the cars and trucks are offloaded from the rail car, they are then individually driven by one of the many workers to specific parking places in the huge lot. From Psalm 25, we get our verse of the day. Show me your ways, O Lord. Teach me your paths. My hope is in you all day long. BNSF monitors new vehicles at Big Lift Littleton by utilizing a mix of physical storage, telematics, and digital tracking systems. Big Lift features 2,200 parking bays designated for new cars before they are transported to dealerships by haul-away carriers. Moreover, BNSF employs telematics devices on rail cars to accurately track their locations, even when they are stationary. Customers are also provided with a digital tool that enables them to track their trains by entering train symbols or IDs, as stated by BNSF Railway. Here is one of the semi-trucks loaded down with new vehicles heading out to the highway for delivery to a dealership. There are various jobs beside driving new cars, and here you can see a worker hauling a heavy piece of equipment to the bed of the Kubota utility vehicle located on the outer edge away from the main driveway. There were at least 2 of these mini trucks working in the yard. The main offices are located here along Titan Road. BNSF is the largest freight railroad in the United States. Working at the rail yard is a physically demanding position. A car loader and unloader is crucial for the movement of vehicles within the terminal operations. They are tasked with safely driving vehicles on and off rail cars. The new vehicle drivers must park each car, truck, or van properly in allocated lots for inventory checks and quality control. Even though they seem to be going fast at times around the parking lot, you can be sure that it is being done safely. After each new vehicle is taken off the train, they are parked in designated areas for processing and inventory. The drivers also conduct basic inspections to identify and report any visible damage or quality concerns. Probably the same way we would do when renting a car at the airport. There are multiple train tracks running through the yard. On the sides, one is for northbound traffic and the other side is for southbound trains. There are also tracks in the middle for unloading and for empty autoracks returning to pick up more at the destination of origin. The BNSF Big Lift Autorack train yard was established in 2014. It serves Colorado and beyond. This Big Lift facility was built to manage a significant number of vehicles each year and has the potential for expansion to accommodate even greater volumes. Now, down at the end of the parking lot, it looks like there are about a half dozen drivers waiting for the caravan to take them back to the other end of the yard. This is the most cars we've ever seen being stored here at one time. Big Lift caters to local dealerships in Colorado, as well as clients from neighboring states, including Utah, reaching as far west as Salt Lake City. The main function of this yard is as a hub for getting vehicles ready for delivery to dealerships and customers. And customers have reported a pretty quick turnaround on their orders. Just sitting here along Interstate 85 and watching the drivers work makes it appear that this is a very efficient process. It has definitely been interesting to see how they load, sort, and get things done in the yard. This is a Clark electric forklift that can lift thousands of pounds without relying on gasoline to fuel the engine. It is moving into place a pair of railroad vehicle wheels mounted on an axle. We have enjoyed you coming along with us today. If you liked our video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more trains with Mike and Sonia. Take care and may God bless you.